Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2010 GLK350 4MATIC. The 4MATIC means it's all-wheel drive, and 350 is a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine. The color's steel gray metallic with black interior. The body's in excellent condition. It's not dinged or scratched up. The paint looks great. 19-inch wheels with Michelin tires that are in excellent condition. This has the panorama roof, and it has a power shade for the front and the rear glass sections. Has power front seats, and they are heated. The steering column is power, and it has a 3-position memory for the driver. Look at the back. Here's another look at the panorama roof. Dual exhaust. Has the power tailgate. And here's some all-weather mats, Mercedes mats, and it has a WeatherTech cargo cover included. Just push the button and it closes. It's a well-maintained vehicle. It was dealer maintained. Here's a look at the wood grain. It's in great shape. That's real wood. On the dash and on the console. This has Bluetooth, factory Bluetooth. Nice sound system. Left and right climate temperature controls, and it's an automatic climate control. Has rain sensing windshield wipers. Lots of luxury features, and the passenger seat is power as well. These GLKs are very popular. They have a really unique style to them. It's a good size and very rugged. Thanks for looking in, and we hope to hear from you soon.